Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So NotebookLM is an excellent tool for both presentation preparation and note-taking. It can help you organize research, summarize information, create presentation outlines, generate speaker notes, and maintain structured notes from multiple sources in one place. Whether you are a student, teacher, researcher, NotebookLM can significantly reduce the time spent preparing presentations and reviewing information. So in this guide, I will show you step by step how to do this simple and effective. So first thing, create a presentation notebook. Starts by creating a dedicated notebook for your presentation. Example includes school projects, research presentations, training sessions. So one presentation topic per notebook keeps information organized. Then upload relevant sources. Okay, so add all materials related to your presentation, for example, PDFs, research papers, articles, meetings. So better sources create stronger presentations. Then generate a topic summary. Like before building slides, ask NotebookLM to summarize the material. For example, prompts, summarize this topic. You can type identify key findings, create an executive summary. So summaries save significant preparation time. Okay. Generate speaker notes. Like NotebookLM can help create detailed talking points for each section. So for example, explain slide 3 in details, expand the key findings, and that's it. You can also collect your sources, like in the case of note taking, for example, add all information you want to reference. Okay, so lecture notes, meeting transcripts, research papers, project documents, study materials. So notebook can centralize information from multiple sources. Okay, then generates organized notes, like add or ask NotebookLM to create notes based on your sources. For example, create study notes, summarize this meeting, generate chapter notes, and that's it guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.